Hello, my wonderful people. You are welcome back to Proud Mom Gist TV 1. If today is your first time coming across this channel, you are highly welcome. Thanks for coming. Thanks for taking your time watching Proud Mom Gist TV 1 video. To my older returnees, God bless you all for stopping by to share with me. I don't take you guys for granted. If you've been new here, say you never subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? Support your girl, support your sister. Do me well to subscribe to this channel on the notification bell so that anytime I upload new video, you will get notified and be the first to watch. Anything with the talk for my video, I beg more not give me thumbs down because not be me talk am. More than they give me thumbs up. I understand. More than they give me thumbs up. If you now feel this super chat me with my video, day premium, make my channel for take they grow. I beg more if now $1.50. More still they put for that go sign when they did that premium for under that comment section. I'll see the sign there. Maybe my channel for the grow because the more they promote me, the more YouTube they recognize me, they publish my video. If you never follow me on Facebook, my new Facebook page, Proud Mom Gist TV 1. Follow me on my Facebook page. You don't understand that one on my new face because I want my Facebook name and YouTube name make the same, maybe the same thing. Now make me open new Facebook page, Proud Mom Gist TV 1. Follow me on my Facebook page. A lot of things they happen for there. A lot of mega they happen for there. You know understand? I just new one intro there. Follow me on my page. Support me. I bet more they help me. They share me so that all my lovers for Mama Umenwa Talk Show go still find me for here. You know understand? God bless you all. Please support your girl, support your sister. Share my video. Leave your positive comment below the comment section. Subscribe to my YouTube channel and God bless you. See you guys on my next video. Bye.
Very one is beyond human, whatever. Then you mean my phone now is silent. Then you mean what's that for? Thank you, Casey. What's that for? Miracle. One unknown number wrote me yesterday. An unknown number, an unknown ID inboxed me yesterday. I got the feelings it was from you though, but I ignored it. Like, okay, it may be a lover or a fan. Okay. And the person never spoke wrongly until the end of the message, of which I did my video yesterday as well. Today, you came with your real account. Miracle, how dare you? Miracle, how dare you? For what? What are your reasons? Listen and listen well. Go back and watch my live videos very well. I made mention of, I did tell you. I made mention of because of Miracle. Are you getting it? There are some things you have to let it be. Miracle Lare. You know the reason why I will still hold on to one thing? I want to practice what I am teaching people. But I am trying to be a better person for myself. If not, the level of my stupidity, since you said in your writing, you never knew I was this stupid. Miracle. Maybe where I am not stupid is it. The only reason why I will still hold on to one very thing. The only reason why, let me tell it to the world. When I needed rescue. Rescue, no. Just that you manage. Miracle you manage, you manage to inconvenience yourself. You displease yourself to please me at that spot. At the end, it was a give and take. At the end, it was a give and take. Peace yeragbon on my wu. Imagine you wu me no bi okani eledini. Miracle no roe casta nene Francesco me viantie. Miracle no your basu ye ke amiro wije. Listen and listen well. E deve deliver behind like Kennedy gbe. Kennedy, you see you ite we give you ite the when but you are a tortoise. Ubegena. When no man Kennedy also mess with Miracle. Cause if I boy la wegbe, ena akpo no so gbe miracle. Do ya a miracle. Oh, walking at me, you made the level of my stupidity. Miracle, I want to dare you. Since you say na inside social media, they for ban you. Your ruggedity na social media ruggedity. That your blue beret na inside social media a day. What do you chop? Na inside social media for chopper. Miracle, don't dare me. If you dare me, all this irrelevant attitude, all this garage mentality that you possess on media. Miracle, if you dare me, I repeat, if you dare me, you will see the strength of a woman. If you dare me, woman, get woman, single woman, that. If you dare me, Miracle. If you dare me, all those your blah blah. No not too well work banana. Iwa ko tie ikbe ne no down yo. Ikbe o da wagmo. Na do tie one down because that is what I kick against. That is what I fight against. But iwa vio ege pak. It make sure go seke no je. No down your way. So don't try me. What log na na. What pa jada mo bije. Ok bia me sin mi. What pa jada mo bije. What pa go to my page and see what Miracle drop there for me. For what? For what? I hate threat now. Don't they threaten me? I don't like her. Talk to me one-on-one. Dialogue with me. If I'm wrong, I tell you sorry. Not gonna threaten. Not be even threatening. He say, I never knew the level of your story. Miracle. Then now you I see they respect age. I am not stupid. They say my way. Miracle, what's your problem? Are you going nuts? What problem we? What problem we, Miracle? Go to YouTube. Yage video, yage a drama ni amuye. And again, what's her name? This hot actress, Destiny Atiku. The return of celebrities. I be celebrity in enemy. Go and look at them. In ya mo vijaya. Toto dike emo vijaya no pia. Oh, no one is a bueke with social media. Who got lele yak no you we at one get no hours, my friend. What problem you we? What problem you we? Miracle, be very careful. Me about my man, I have boss you one day. Be very careful. Be very, very careful. Ma ya ununika ya tawe because of you. If the better you nuni arove yo, ma Miracle. Be very, very careful. Be very, very careful. I will keep my smile for you, Black Diamond sweetheart. I will keep it for you guys. You guys know the what. In a Miracle, they provoke me this evening now. For what now? I can't carry it to next year. I don't feel carrying it over now. This one are trash. For what? Miracle me and why you well. Every we are being aware. Giddy. Miracle. It's too fresh to forget so easily now. So soon. Have you forgotten the words of your mouth? And then I can't hold on. Have you forgotten so easily? Have you forgotten so easily? Why fighting Why disgracing and embarrassing yourself on cyberspace? Why? What jarea? Toto dike mo vije. Eti wana ye mi wada. Mo vije mo. Miracle work ni tonterie afievo. What's your problem? What way? My borrow abungbe, you quit. You quit now. If my borrow too much, you quit. Give yourself a breathing space. Drink water. Forget Moretti or anything. What? What's it? Esandra gbogbo enwo vije no pia. Emani ka eme vije. Ivijin ya bege, yetin ya bege nuisance na gbe. O memo vije me bege nuisance ni me social media. Ebege o ti me post a picture yen le. Ole. Ogbeni do ye yasin. Listen, Miracle. Listen and listen well. If you intend to press charges, if you intend to go further, it don't come away. Don't dare me. But if you insist like sunu foyema Miracle, I will refer you to Kennedy Nozua Wiagawa. Bue. Because on record money wa afio le ya kan na me wa afio na no view because on wa han ko social media have a weapon mobo. Go and learn that. Have evidence in mobo. Are you getting it? Strong one o wa posha u daji so that wa pe agbenwe working but Kennedy Nozua because you see yon su meso we dani yon su meso we itebe tane Kennedy gwigun ka waro we ono le na itebe tane iwe kan we maybe na ifo miracle manare o ma mi ya ho yi be tie bonu si tu wo pa we ke vielu wo bo ma me wa avio na and wallahi ija ize gbu ekene du gba me na ija gbu esi baira we gba me na we hemegbe miracle ma heme we believe megbe ye ize gbu ekene wu ye gbu oda igbu odi eke we heme na ale no gba me so ma je si su dene ba kama we ko asin nu wo wa shut up won wo wa shut up nzu abagun dano kilo no jilagwa gbere miracle no ro wo wa mienwe o mienwe Mr. My brother what problem iwe what problem iwe what problem iwe aguwegun aguwagun agbe kan wakin mani ke ewe obiyan iyan lo ni saniyan abi obi ju wo pa gugun redere obi ju wo pa gugun I don't want money gbe dawe mi ko I just tire my amiable social media blog na miracle we boni sister for what now for what me ya wale le social media o wale ipe ani yen gbe fake account yan ya la o iyen le kwenu gbe hun because I had no set better miracle eje video walk ba basu yi bia miracle we mi miracle be very careful be very very careful don't push me I'm so you can never be so good on this media is it that trouble come waka meet you or you go waka kiss trouble miracle be very careful ini ere ba obije no we sick boni say ini my sweetheart get a log when omonomo say ere ba obije no e pastor ere ba unya yi se gbo bi ju no miracle ere mi amienu talo o when them fele we gbe wa anwe mo retine be very careful let me not play your record for you miracle be very active and nobody should call me at this moment I'm on live miracle be very very careful I don't want to be like do what I say don't do what I do I want to practice what I tell to the world I want to be a changed person and a better person miracle help me to get there don't push me and I have blocked you on Messenger. If you go and open a different account again, and come, miracle, you know like him. You know like him. Me not get strength for a long saga. I not get that power to test them. Any saga way too long, I dey dust and who can agberai. You dey feel me so? Who can agberai ya man the wise avoid problem. If you feel say you too clever, you want solve problem, no problem, carry a come. But me, I dey avoid problem. You dey feel me so? So miracle, respect yourself. How many people can you inbox in the first place? How many people can you really write? Walk by obije boni. Walk by obi. Agbi oni so yan. Agbi ahian. Ese anu gi ela wodo. Agbi ahian. Ugbinigbina ruwa o. Agbi ahian. We ri ela wa. Obije we no. Ri ela wa nu won. Meda miracle mienwa o uwa mienwa ipin abopa ma na ya boss yomade I hear my 10 years friend ipin abopa ma na ya ka mo we be very careful ma be ne no ke obumede opa e kare gwe na o se na big be reso o mere ofu ogare ni na we no ka mu igbi na o ka mu ezo igbo visual imegbe a I'll give you my smile, Johnson. Thank you, darling. Imeti ebono wiju where? Imati ebone ataya momi Glasgow. Imagbo vije. Imafio sisi yiso. Imati ebone. Imaveka we o. Iyo na akona o. O. Ita here nakba. Ilagwane black account. Oh my God. Fake account ire. Ena la na do kin fake account ire bon e kunre. Ori me atama me kenu joke de betina le we na we. Ya zingbe. Because maybe wa yiri account lo mere. Ina gele zingbe. Beni gie we you know dejo. Okay we de yo ma ye nwa de yo no wa de fi otobu. Miracle. We be agbere iwo. If you continue like this, to to render of each way husbandless. What problem where aga go we gwan uriye kebe oni ave egwe kebe egwe bia igwa mu umwe no madam ebe umu go ti mo bia ave ka na normal talk social media gwala we egwe bo aga toto dike won bije ini edo be dado bi yan wegwele le ya hin agwe oye sore gesi me ni awo ya bie e won ten no pia eme no do ta who be that CEO blessing enemy therapist relationship whatever vi amu egwe ri total yo were yan nya wa gidigbo e won bije all those celebrities you think they don't have brothers your own kid brother ini anyu ni when you na miracle big up for once and get sense for yourself. May you help yourself. In you do what you they do so. Pastor not the social media or 20 pastor ebege on you when you na. I will help we. What's the best yella what my husband has? It's not that way ro. Ebege so. Walk back no. I made obije. And when miracle. Nubatiwe. I repeat, miracle. Be very careful. Don't ever from now till 2045. From now, from now till 2045. Miracle. You only write me wa how you marry now you be who congratulations. Ya bege ni. Maybe I won't block you whenever again. Hey, miracle. Don't try it. Because don't make me do what I hate doing. Don't make me do it. Also, keke mo bon my say. Any say. All your mates that are really rugged. Hey ya bro. You rugged it na inside yeah. Na inside you for the fly. The way to you shop na inside social media they for ban you. Where problem where? Agwale GF were naka no tane be no ya dey where are dey miracle uru enwa just so 2045 when e gbegun me e kan we na e kan we what's your issue? Fino ask me question what you say not be boyfriend they be friends. I don't understand. You there? I don't ask your question in a proper manner. Ask your listen. Don't come to me indirect. I too open. Ask me question. I go tell you. I don't be that kind of person where it be like saying nyama for what. I was never married. I have never been married. So I don't get anything to hide. Who see me not even ask me as that person here not correct now. So my sweetheart, Infinity whosoever, and this person ask me direct question, I will give you a proper answer. I know they lie. Even if I want lie, not be your front. They feel me so. So ask me again. I will answer you. Okay? That's why you are my fans. You need to know. You need to know. I go tell you. I go tell you the way everything be. Who be miracle when they threaten me for inside boss? Inside boss. Miracle, be very careful. Be very careful. What's your problem? What problem where? Iwa be dano, we na dano. Imaro yo vijwe. Magbe mi yo. Ima we baba bureje bure. This person come up from my front. Ima we anything or anything. So what is it? What is it? Wana gbele rami de yo me boss. For what now? Na me dey tell person say saga no good. If your body no full, no put body. Miracle. Mami o we hin we lori me gbe na. O sagu we. O mo wan o me saga no do le la wa. Gbo we na na. Ari e wa de Kennedy bai. Kennedy o re gbo ke ana wa gbo ni. O na ije yen to egbe no understand. Igbo ke ana wa gbe era egwi monu. Ere no ma wa gbon no to wa je. O egwi monu. Awe. Ori adobo miewe ugwe ka mari ebo ni nari anusi gbelu enwe ajo bariana uru enwe ajo bariana uru enwe ajo uke anyi wo pia no ko lefe uru enwe ajo wo ariana. What's your problem? Oma afeli we na de anusin. Ariana all try no me we pass. Aria yo ti pass. Ogwejerio. Ogwejerio. U dollar Ariana ji na even Aria we kan ji. What's your problem? Wa lele social media to ya kan agbon. E ma ni ke me mi je. Wo jare amiero mi je. Oma no vi je mewe mi o. Ene na ha amiero mi je o. No vi je iso ipa na o ene na ti omo vi je. Omo vi jo ma o ba me go. How dare you? You tell me ba we ni ana pe me ni no vi ju we. E to ori obo kogbon gbo yan won so. Umi ami ani baba na so soon. So soon, so early. Emi ke we gbo mi ami egbe mi ra ko nu bi egbe me o dey my friend. Abeg mona ask me question. No, not Sagara. No. I feel only me want to Sagara. No, just leave her. Just that it make me vex. It make me vex. How you can't tell me say you never? I just watch your video. I never know the level of your stupidity. Really? Oh yeah, Miracle just sit down. They find where they for they find his sister. They go. They find uno fana. They found uno fana. Oh, tu no ma bagmono. E pejoge e von yo ko ya collect go kere lawa yen wari e moreti e maboro ga go bone o wa aka pekin e Miracle o wa talo go and watch better celebrities, all those Lagosians. Go and see them. I already wu ne after see you so ne Miracle look here. You wa look here I like nonsense o better people where they bam all of them they do better thing, they do normal thing. You don't know. You're get it in inside here you for the show. Only you go fly beret inside social media. Only you want. Miracle. Okay, Ebony Brown, you say waiting, come again, my darling. You say Miracle na my ex-boyfriend or yes or no? He was not a boyfriend. We all brush ourselves, we pass. Abigail. Miracle was not a boyfriend. He tossed me anyway. He asked me out. But we can't use sudden mistake to blow ourselves. Now we pass. I be like, who the Ben Mat they talk? I know the Ben Mat they talk now. I thought they said everybody body. I'm not too good. Forget that thing. Abigail, I'm not too good. But I dey respect myself. I am trying to be a better person. You dey feel me so? I am trying to be a better person. Be me a senior. I don't even know what senior. No, I don't too big past that one. Who asked me that question? Ask me again. I don't too big past that one. Infinity Saga. My level does still pass that one. I can't say no, yes. No. May I tell you the story by myself? If you need that right, I need. If you want year, talk and say we 1 year. So may I tell me, let Miracle know say if I fit talk my own, oh, where I bear the record, tell me we will talk garbage way, any. You get what you do, you say no, now I can't shake. No, come on, I know those mass now. I never feel married now. I never feel married. Yes, now somebody mad gone, mad me. Who be this? Oh, bass. I never mad gone. No, me. No, not the truth. No, let's face reality. Yeah, it was a give and take. It was a give and take. He get one bon fou. No, not be big deal now. Come on there. Sex now. Sorry, Facebook. Do vaga thing not be big thing now. Bad for you. What's so special about it? Oh, J Diamond, you want to hear? Share the video if you want. Yeah, share now. No, share now. You get one or way. Why man marry you? You do everybody body. That's why they tell me say, my own fool my body that time. If for everybody body, now they feel say I dey lie. When person tear my chest, I can't tell myself say boy day. Now you they do my thing, they go as a normal girl. 2017, you see where Kennedy no finish for inside this story. Oh, I busy now. You didn't hear for not by at way. Oh, damn it. They want try to tell me to shut up for this thing again. Oh. Mama, wait, man. Oh, if you do know people, you know good. Don't know let you talk when you day your man. But more than I will tell you now the gist. Oh my goodness. Oh goddamn. Oh mama, we what ti. How got to take this number? Mona, hold on. I'll tell her. Now I call mama. I want hear what she want talk. The mama know if he change this one. Say, "Me I not talk. I'll talk." Cause miracle arena. Oh, do ta. Me I want tell miracle. Say, I want to tell the whole world that it happen. And if I lie, heaven is my weakness. I don't sabi say Ogun. Heaven is my weakness. Why I lie? I don't get that to lie. So miracle. Big baby me there. No rush. My people. I am back. What about Charles Brown and no, that one a Godfather. Oh. Come on there. LOJ. Come on, don't even see on a talk with you. I hope we go live video. Hello, it live. Come mama. Live is it. Go. Egbema. You know, what that? What that? You know the better yeri account yagmegi me. Because me man say in the fake account ni imamero ye the person and me go won pagwan. We na magata. I want to my agwan son. Okay. Ina we ma sure. Okay. La ya team we phone where you speaker. Okay. Guaje.
Hello everybody, good evening. Why you say no be o?
Ogbe ise na mama. Ise.
Upono ni maala na. Inwinere emi mede.
Ise.
Aga na ya osebe ya kama we oma use the fake account. Ya me eliki no concern you know so we movie industry. All this Samarina wa we working. Na wo vision no recently na we working na. Owo in the world na we trust me. Mana my comments in my wage, but my 1 million full step away that don't have money while you say fake account where you destroyed me the Facebook and which it is not good. I don't want balance. I will hear I can you is something. I am woman swim your monocrisio. But the unconnect where we are pay or we are, but when we are sharing, we cannot be here. It might not be who here. Area, okay, bring it to book. Okay, can you have web? Near Kosho, we have seen what I saw them. Your money here to have a friend of it. No, a female too. Mama, Quayo, okay, no, get where, and I don't know about no head. I don't know about no single one, I don't know about no dog. I am boss lazy. On I whatever, a family on I boss lazy. Because that dog making an answer the boy. Because those who wear the music industry or movie industry is so mirror.
A miracle, EJ. You go me afia jonu, a miracle, or swan. Ona mia, then I ya itaman, ya ye dekereji, no deve, na ya de kune bege, ya de yazinso, or comment who never like way, but yazinso. When a miracle ya na vije meme, mi atama miracle ga veto.
I say when you not say the anaka where I because I go see. Another cool.
Oh, see, and now you dash you be men on it. I was say you are. I say you are.
They do all tell them I have sorry, maybe I can
Allah, also not bebe gusan.
So don't let that one be your enemy or what is your 9 months and 9 months. Oh, we shall know what Mama really will not look we shall ya women already for whom
hello.
When you have bring girls to put that film industry in Nigeria. It's everybody here from me ask where ask. They might be my promoting.
Wait, can you?
Well, now YouTube no lucky.
A miracle the drama obije. E miracle ke drama bi. Je me ya c'est ma boro lati. Murati fo. O me ya fra bereti le casa franco fo. O me ya le bien parler fo. Il y a un drama bi jien. Ọtí àwọn ẹlẹ́gẹ̀ ní àwọn ògbà ẹjọ́ ọ ní wọ mẹ́ẹ̀dọ́ yìí rẹ̀ bẹ̀tọ̀ tí àwọn ẹlẹ́gẹ̀ ní mẹ́ẹ̀dọ́ ògbè bá wọn ẹ̀ ọ́ ní ọ̀pẹ́ máa yín ẹ́. Èmi rẹ̀ kó wákìyàn gbàdókè fi ẹ̀ bò ike tọ́ ọmọ rí ṣe. Èmi la ko ge drama obije e go gere o ti ge la video re o ti comment o ti title mi bai no wa bata e wo obije ma gbe no gwale viewer no gwale followers na ma monetize o wa ara le boss hian o wa ara e hian Egbe mi la ko wa wo hen Miracle. Omakane kan we, makane kan to en. E mo me uni se e won ten opia. Dele won ten opia. E me yon. O ma na gbon no, amabio e meje no water miracle eke amiro bije. Ino water. Even myself on that social media. Ina bi mama he says on me we no dey na bi asine 130 maybe na we yin ina we yin na miracle ti gbon na re yin all the gbe no cause we you the level of you made the level. I never knew this was the level of your stupidity. Oh yeah, fine, I agree and stupid. You are a garage mentality away. Miracle okay can agba we ikopa.
A problem in the miracle so very wherever you are to la jana we talk that movie jena. Wow, on ask your boy. A police one e don't want they don't do you the she dey have to talk for when how.
No yin. Nyema na amuye report. Nyema ke itota yana be total man. Nyema o mari egbe le o tali tali be. E mani ke mo wije. Mani ke mo wije. Wo jare. Ogun ogbe Kennedy you are because Kennedy just say no so ni. We have a meal. Eyan ogbeje e Kennedy on yan. Àwọn ma do we birthday le we bo na ari owa. Ona kewe bo pana la toki oketoki pana ari owa. Oni e ma na gbon. E wu yo be me. E wu yo be me. Oni e somebody e won ten, e meje, e megbe, o de fi agbon. Can you be portable for once and be posh? For once. Atalo unu aka. Where's it be? Miracle. Oni sangwele mama okay where's it? Yeah when. Ijo do. Oh mama. Okay where's it? I never see. Abemona they ask me better question. My answer. What about Charlie Brown? That one I'm saying. No, that one can never be mistaken. Nah, come on there. That one a Choco Papa. Or Matty Choco. Golden Heart. No. Ave Jovia Gmovia Ivia. That one a Choco, aka Father Abraham. The only man that find love at the age of 50. Where we are turning. You know that the way part to marriage. Where he say na in love, he not love since 1930 no date. I bet you leave a pa, may you they do it, they go. Sorry, leave a pa, may you they do it, they go. I beg. Now because of that Choco Papa, now they post anybody picture again. I don't like her. Choco. Choco. I mean, go to heart. Only one day when you know, ask me questions, I'm ready to answer. Who did they? Cause no, yeah, quand they bear with I do, quand they pretend they pretend. They show me that I work, but 1 week, you know, yeah, where am I? When I see your boy, I'm out of when I act boy. I don't try to act boy. 15 we o wa we ton or 10 we wa ton 10 wa gbe o get to agbe. Now so it be, it's a social media life. Then you can't expect me because Salobo, I said it yesterday. I said, let me put it on myself now. If I, Effie, Asaburu, Anek, think, oh, I am too nice, I am too smart, I am being extra careful. Careful, so give me 5 years. You must set. Or might say 5 years in now. Miracle, I see one well at that. We not do kubo, not do kue, wada. Are you getting it? So don't think, maybe I'm not thinking before you embark on a journey, it must happen one day. You don't always see to the advantage side of it, the advantage. Pray. I said it. Even if in as much way disadvantage already, let there be somebody that will rise for your sake and quench that matter. That is it. Amawa day. Amawa yegbe vioe. Who must to collect that social media for you? So Miracle, if you want to join the queue, come online, come on board, key page. You a Benjamin Vedero. Sorry, sir. Egwi Baba. Sorry to even mention your name, Mr. Benji. I beg you in the name of God. I really don't like putting people's name into saga. I am deeply sorry about that. That Mr. Man, that 2 days I am monetized. So Miracle, you come out, okay, you are with us. You are with us. Anyway, I told you what I tell me bad. I ain't bossing me for what? Who do I bossing me? Me no more email at what are you bugging me for what? A ruler platform in while I don't. And then I have to take it. Unam me we go to ya. You go boya ya. Money monetizing it. You go ya. Ya make you go. Oh, where you? Why ye my borrow Latin? Riemurati la gobo. And then I don't waste it. Italian. What's your problem, man? What's your problem? Who go game stupid? Miracle. We cannot be man cannot be your or buy a vacuum. Cannot stupid yo. Cannot say stupid person. They are the same 10 or 10 pesos. 5 and 6 in yak. Oh yeah, work by name is my brother. But ask me question. Hey, look me nya. Oh, ask me question. Ma answer una. Yeah? How dare you? You know people that I respect. If I saw when on name sunu. This same person, maybe my video ni for I don't know, I don't care anymore. Okay, in as much as we on another way, okay, because of Miracle. Do we are supposed to like call me? In a we met on Teria when I not see we bah mom. They to move by we live day vio no jono my hero ye bene here we bet. No my money e be an no yame. You even lucky working ya lad by la one oh ne where ye mumene ke the bedo total when you go I need to treat your fuck up. So may your men may they see you now may they quickly call you to order. That's what they call confraternity. You guys are oneness. May they call you. They feel me so. You being a ZH as you said. Respect yourself, man. What's your problem? What's your problem? Take his own head. You don't respect yourself. Now let Miracle I don't see say confirm man where they ban for inside social media. Where they ash for inside social media, sorry. Only Miracle. Now be only confirm man where they ash for inside social media. Miracle. Umienwe. Say very well. At the level egg before at the level center. Edo ayek be my viebo. Who see you go say you be small picky based on your body be. Edo ayek be my viebo. What is it? I dey go with you who worry. I got gwegwan o desi who you complain. I got gwegwan o dedan. I go gwegwan. I go gwagwan. Ume na go gwan to. Eto we I dey tan ge unwa ga ihe no. O pe na we na do send you he. Agbe kan mono won wije. Omo meje. Go to internet. Go all this actress na wa be he no ba be point ni gele lo ni fly. Bobrisky ne double bad person ni. Enegbe. Oyede o daira we do. Ona emo egboku ya. Ama iwe. Do you think they don't have people? All those celebrities, do you think they don't have people? Yeah, I want to know. No Miracle. Nene mi ogbon go abodo. We o kan kere ogbon go abodo. Ami ro bi je uga we won bi jo nu we wa gbe ye gbe ugo e u chop up. Po. Ewe italo le kalu do ne. Ama de gwan ya. Salo ba gun ewe do egbe kibere because of we te ezogiro inu itamane ido atali tale mi by no. I will only call you to order. Just exactly what I am doing now. You don't threaten people's life. You don't do that. I am not babu. Walk by waru fraternity ni. Miracle. Ologona. I want to tell you social media. I wait for your house. Even if you hate me, person they will love me for your house. And it's truth. And it's truth. Where I believe in what you believe, you too mighty, you do go. Miracle. Uwewa, aye mi esi no enegbe uwewa. No ye so we. Aye me uwewa not how this girl not touch on. Uwewa, am I we level where you are so empty. Uwe empty. Retire zona head. Retire zona head. Social media yema. Ole beret ruwe mo color diba. Miracle mi enwa. O wa ni ke gugun, o wa ni ke wa tu shigbe na wa o ma na gun wa hina. Miracle gugun, miracle. Miracle. De gbe na gun. Be it fake account, real account we block it when. Be it fake account, be it on my live stream, don't dare it. I repeat. Don't date. And then again, anybody, I am not using this as a medium, as a message to you, Miracle. Anybody, now the big many tonteria agume, while light tale ado be ran vidi. Oh, you may have very good. Oh, you have very good to make him. Maybe a tido yogo rije where what's in a manaka very good near mana good in Mamma Taba. Oh, you may a woman dancing. I can't know one dancing. Oh, my cat way, you know you are fond of doing it. It made me up away. You get it away. Then you now see the level, the capacity of my stupidity. Then look at the way get. Look at what stupid this is. Man, you don't come away. Yes, that's how stupid I am. Because what will it take you if you have come like Effie? I saw your video. What tell me away? Who are Kagwea? There, I will not tell you. Oh, my by my brother. Look at what's on the net. Abi, where did Mama call? Where Miracle? Get don't feel it. Don't feel it. Mock because he might die. You twig me. Or you came. I say 2045 in 2045. Came back by think to because what you just display is a no for me. Just day your day. Go. Just go. But I gave it to me. I 2045. I tell you, I can't. Yeah, be congratulations. Go me. I will accept. When marry or when you reach here, go me. I accept on Miracle. What piavanti la ho? I can't see her where her matter. Go. Excuse me. Oh man, her matter. Igwe mobo. No matter how close I am to you, tell me the bitter truth. Matter ya via kere yewe. Ya hiagbe yewe. Ya sukwa yunkere amuyo mure. Yewe, but it's the truth. It's the truth. Take care of you. Oh, where Jerio le maboro let. Jerio. When I be my you when here will be two and I atamana. Me well. Nonsense. I bet when ask me, when I ask me, I answer better people. Mama, how many children do you have before you? Oh, Jesus, so they never born. Jesse, I block you every Miracle. I still be single girl, see Hannah. Oh, camera can I give you where we have a show. See, I never born, not this answer. I never born. They born had. I know they born hard though. If I don't born social media, you first don't say I don't born. I never born. I don't get for Nigeria. I don't get for abroad. I never get for abroad. They feel me so. So any question? This your put it na bump. Thank you. Many times when Ebony Brown, many times when I do. What is your problem? Now countable times. I not come, oh. I not release. Who be that question? She be that's how many times we do. Now countable times, but I not release. Mama, the cassava small. No, it's not small. Now medium. It's not small. It's not small. No, now medium. No. I know the person where they downgrade person. No, now medium. Now normal, as in as it still today. Now normal size as normal human being. Till they get cassava. Extra large. That one a horse now. No, it they okay as a man. No, Miracle is okay as a man. Come on, Miracle is too okay as a man. Yeah, but I not come. He knows say I not come. I still tell and I cause quarrel me. He go, man go. As I not come, he go leave me. I not come. He come for what? Why he go come? I not come. I not can't tell whether I tell that so. Oh God, you know not fit kill me for you. Social media person, you know, easy sharp. The heat's not good. No matter how you think nice, no matter how nice you are, no matter how good you think you can be, something must drag your attention. This nuisance that lure me to Miracle, he did unknowingly to him. You know, see, like that night when I came back from Edonimose on the 18th, I was so bitter. When I came back home, I came on live. I talk. But you see me laughing, smiling, talking, you think all is well. It wasn't well though. But I managed to manage that situation, and then I just remembered something. My head spark. This same Kennedy where I not feel come on in name for my mouth, so where they curse this well for every now and then. So if not be father is so responsible. Oh, to me. Oh, will laugh with me. Oh, we measure no. What if you are back? Ibaba me, eti ma gumen mi kere. No, will laugh. Agbero egbo ma gbe. That word enter my head. Bang. She no let mama call me for what? If money cannot be, why agree oh? Or more dark pan will be any or say I'm When Winifred, my friend, sorry to mention your name, and my amiable one of my friends, they gave us today. They stood this idiot for Fumara. They stand there asking a question. Are you sure? Are we very sure? You sure so? That's sometimes I see reason what my friend do me. I'll see. Although say she tell me say, "Oh, say me, forgive me." Okay, good and fine. Sometimes if you still set, you getting it? That one not called sure because of our women. Oh, bear down. The you make bally luggage a net, ordinary net. Me yasekini Miracle jena. Police in her bureau na argue me. Police in her bureau na argue me. So because he could, the respect I get for I see the whole thing for us so, secret for us so, you must get spare. They say it don't cut. Sorry for the whatever. You must get spare tire. So Miracle was one among my spare tires. Then he was one among them. You say if original tire spoil, driver, you quick break, carry your spare, come and tire or when I done in as much as you are not married. Now when you don't marry legally, traditionally, officially, and otherwise, you throw away your spare tire. That time you can't be it can no when in that dojo because you are not married. I'm not married, man. So when the problem arose, that nuisance Kennedy only bue, ma make a lala we. You are so good, like I never expect it. Why it come is let me hello so my go. Man, I go on I say we are 2022, but we not go few hours to 2022. I go don't match you down. Home and abroad, you know it about match you. It am ya rio we when you am with phone. No wa ni aru live video. Ik wa ke gbo sana sisun. Ah fakulo. Unwe na. Nwe wa mo sanu no me. So, as it got set, area red. Ha! What I want to do? I look back, look front, look side. Now though, my phone and the spare tire no retaliate and relate sharp dude. Me, hustler, I was stranded. It's not possible. A girl for that matter, say go. I don't feel stranded. No, my phone back. Ah, nah, yeah, is. Hello. Nathalie me vie. Iso. Iyo wana buzo sisi yon hun. I vie. Police na ki abore agime. Aro eva no ma back bon. Ma when you go me am. They don't really like social media. Say man na teni yo. A man with a woman. A married woman and a married man. No ene gbiyan. Mr. Sly and Mrs. Ivy White Bobby. You have a damage with station and mama, epa, I no go fit. Go Jen over there, go tell you the real story. Go and ask. In a way, I am going. Because when you make your many, I don't care if I've invested millions there. I don't care if my life is even there. It pass a life here, it take the body away. A net or a net. Take a jumper pan and go more than a dem to one black jumper. It's a miracle. Ere manao. Atenomaya we so it no maya. Atenomaya we ho it no maya we say. Because we never agreed on saying. You getting it? Now we got oh wait, why nah? Okay, come. You got me hotel. But I needed a comforter at that moment. I need somebody to tell me it's okay. Hey, mama, I have where to stay then. Every madam me make my Italy. One of the church off and on our network. So, one of the church peace in my darling sweetheart Egwe. Peace received me well. Just a male friend or a baby friend, I don't know. Baby ni like oh mama what's what ya sunu he me lali hin se casta fraketo me ati ona wo ken ri winner just chief for year first they break out normally it not be working they go need to discharge you there as na so it dey be na area all of us dey streets umare mare na mi ewono umare ri okwo na mi ewono aso de na ma mi la gmo de na le gbe mesun erioje you need to discharge you there just to make me comfy that time now I take the respect am not be say you get one big thing where you do for me makigo me at that particular time I needed somebody like a shoulder to lean on to talk to. He was there. He rescued me. Hey, the ticket in the motor, but he received me. He displeased himself to please me. Oh, no, but oh, you know, we are deleted. We are deleted, my brother. We are working me now. When we are barak, working me now. Eki gue. Eki no road to level where do no baji. Eki gue. When di gue ala kwen no je. So, amaye gbe no mu hon ayi kuno kuya awon wo bi digwe wa na kin. Aya en digwe. So, ulukie. Ulukie mi la kwa igbene rubbish igume. Whether he account or fake account. Owo gi onware owo to no pa ni wo wa to bo were. Una owo gi onwa anybody no re on your behalf no you can issue now. Today will be the last day I will talk on this issue. Today is the last day. I will not repeat myself. But if you dare me, I will do it from the beginning to the January to the end. 2022 to the end. So don't dare me. I don't want to carry over any grudges. Money more like one. I just need peace of mind. Is that too much to ask? Just where go with you go. I will back off. You know, can't be big. Sister, you know, now I tell you what, I walk back, you walk on your power. Why, I walk back, wow, giddy, yaka, oh, gualo miracle. Or down and work bay. Or down and work bay. Eh, are you? I don't need some reverse on this honey polo, go to tie. To tie, oh, ekpavare. Eh, get friend walk banana. Ekpavare, walk by basso you be, walk by obije. Well, what you love is we're not. Enough is enough. Sure, Golden Heart, ask me question, bro. I want to answer. Yeah, we're not gonna get questions. I give platform. I say ask question. Come on, no. Why do you move? Like a one. I don't vex tire. You tell what the thing they boyfriend up there. Person when near me say, oh, call me. On a damn mago. Whoa, now be woman. Oh, wamu, women beg, oh, wamu with Vosun. Vosun, my friend. Smally Vosun now. Oh, Celia, oh, woman, and I don't vex. But I managed to go out. I know myself. If I ain't where am I? Any given yeah, big with you, yeah, finish it. I managed to go out. I came back. The fresh air can't enter my body small. My head can't calm down small. There no ya no. Can ya reserve so miracle? Au revoir, ivoire. Ya belege we man la wadia. Where blaming me? Something triggered my anger. You triggered it because you never came as a man. It made that way, man, we man need the video. You need it the other way around. Yeah, didn't know video, you know. Yeah, no video. Could you wear when I go money on when I go my sister? Go, oh, my brother, even way. Given I did it again, my did I will explain. But whoever we hear to watch social media miracle. You don't want to let time here. I've been when I am men, every night, look when I lay it was bego boy. Yeah, miracle. If be an back, young Bemia, you fake a cat in one, he had the identity and lay and see me when you lay. Oh, I wear jelly or got it to go where I know. A blueberry to wear a zona at the Facebook. A zona at the Facebook. A vana Anna should wear. Eva when I bag bear. O tunica wag women where moving wag with miracle you back here. Wag we. I walk at him. A miracle of your book, but you do. The Italian announcement. While you where they are talking and they get tired, though we were going wild with miracle one up. Permission to karate. Permission to go ahead. Wag we. Miracle, my boy. You go let beret. Lareo. Obi jwere ini. Basu yo sebi or money no any gbe ni. Etelo basu yo kwen ye pastor Port Harcourt oni waje o do oni gbu wadwe ke ayebo wole wo were. Basu yo kwen abita net ire Port Harcourt wo do. Ino water. Abe mama no. Elo Samsung. Elo iPhone ebere no sunu waje. Miracle wo pa wa bere na gbon ya abere. O wa abere ri gbon ruwa o. I want to beg anybody or blank because all who pan vije. If I need to vije, men we go go men vije. Obiji me ti do I go. Eh ya there wa lui me. I told you you will not hear. Eri me back bana de. Get bona sunu alui me. Obiegbe me because ogun egun ati ma ho. Ika me wo me okpa ni mu ye social media ni amu so ni mu wo ye ko amu so fa ma imu esi ni kino bi ereje na le ne wete ite la kene gbe wete ohun e mete mu megbe to han mu megbe wọ́n fe bonire miracle we wa ki page wa ike we Ebony Brother Page TV who be me followers. Then I set in Nana, who was a loud door. Has a borrow one more by my mego. Where was one? Asaboro every who want monetize 24 hours. Any me now you know pono ya gwale monetization. Baba we monetizing it. Get MMA wonu who wagmo yo who we Ebony Brother TV aka Osimio Segi alias Amiero Bije. We are we follow us we are be enu sun enu lagwa nu we gbe wo we e o mi a ro biju an won don we nu akin ai mi a re ebu mi a re biju an won don eri o ma je kin eri agba agbon ya amare ni mi a re no awe referee lele won mi tishu no ya we ke o ya fi le kwa go to Usimio Segene who fight the battle who kan ku obije who go agbin obije gbino obije won gbino obije oge toteri ano ma kan gbine pakara ogodo gbore gbe ma ko tala mi buy social media na ave tala be ewe ave talo na be do we I'm sorry gbine wa tala pewe nonsense receive a sense big up 2022 alana amaguwe ya oguwe ya bere e set ula wadia u disactivate account we for a while maybe say that disactivate account me yes yeah go and ask they will tell you why you get on the jail u disactivate e then am have your bomb me there you na so kokoko ye kokoko he may disactivate account here he may disactivate e tin we la ewu ne ina de gbe we ade try and do it will help you a lot ogwejerio then wa nwe mu retin or retin oja ude wa la wardrobe wa de beret nyan so an ta lo so an go. Can't you be normal for once? Can't you be normal? O bi ala wa mi re bu iku we wa kin wa fun e bu iku ogboni son kin ya ogboni son kin wa fun e bu iku wa fun e bu iku Ikwe vama total for miracle must be there. We una Jesus Christ. No ka where two or three are gathered, I am your midst. Where two women are gathered, miracle is in their midst. Especially on social media. Especially on social media. Or yara ho. Or yara ogbeko. No dani ho. Ya eke no adu na se. Obujo bitu one. Me age. Cause that does see me no one in 2022. Agmo ya see me na one in 2022 Ede ama wa aro hia. Single must marry na. Single no marry. Ni me ga ewe na ire okwo ne. Nu gbe so ni so wo ku anu ya lele obi juwe. De uwe ko gwa no ga le polo we na obi juwe. No make na se we agad se. E guardian enje. Miracle. Igbe mi gun igbe mi gun wa no wa fo mi ana we tun ni ya gbon na ri o to ni. Imagi ni deso. Igbe mi ro pa gun je ra je me mi igbe mi ro pa gun wa gun o bloody ogun alake ogun alake ti bata ya o tun ge me very na ba say don't look down on me o na ma o no ma ko owo me ni onu ma expect the person you least expected out when away na way I don't sag. I don't like it. Don't drag me into it. I don't like it at all. When a page in 100 years you grow, I need peace of mind. Because saga for me you cannot make me look stupid in the front of my followers. It's not done. I'm not that type. I come here and sing for them and laugh with my arewa. I cure everybody go in. Don't drag me into what I hate. I hate saga. I hate it. I am an anti saga squad. Imalake. I repeat. In as much as they to we type politely we go read we go whatever. He come we sorry. He did be go read we go. That is it. And imagine why we deliberate go read we go no. He why call guy and that already no say. So what is it? Etiema ni ke matime. O na Sharon biena. O matieme where are you toto Percy we newborn. O matieme. Easy reba. Iya manosi ke ya matieme ni ke ya fe festina bobo ti gbo ran wiri ya fe no le gaya. Iya matime. O tun go pa wa aruwe ni industry. Where my wife man Jeffrey Omoruji, ex boyfriend eh. Where my warrior age in any industry. Or to walk power, oh Mario, oh my mama, miracle. Have you water with my sister is by I will go tell me no back. Internet in or get us it day. Miracle. Internet in OPDPD. Music getter. Abia water on your back kaya drop. No make na jere wu mi amemi yani. So wa je even it on wa jere wa ko very oni ke igi yunuta ya pion ta. Yunuta. One make na coordinate because you forget things so easily. It's not done. You don't do things like that. One. So it we people wagwi etiru we iyen iteru bet o ma gbe won na gi wa we no ije na wa pa yen anare wa ki emi obe otin opa wa yan obi jo pa wa de maji gadegbania adahin we at wa ge we obi je agoma at wa ge we ma ba bi je obi jo pa wa play party ya play ro ya kian e boni no bi je me no se me no kan egwi wo hian me. I don't get anything against you, my darling sister. For you, a miracle handle yak your resonania. Onamia me telling me by no catala you to eti me do tam well we no ta I me do jin way. No me enwe negun etu yafo. Because e soja magbo ma o. Are you in a police o? E soja gagbo ma ne ana e police go si o man o. O wa o e soja. So miracle. You choose on the lane where you want to stand, whether you be soldier to Ebony or police, Ebony, me with there. For it, me with there. Me with there. But in here, we're so deep. I don't know you. Through your brother. No live on like that. And I never ever one day come out, come they talk nonsense. Because my own day, my body. Or bag moya. You only pay me. We can't ask me, say, he never knew I was this stupid. Really? Really? I would have shown him the level of my stupidity. But I decided to tie it first. When he dares me, I will lose it. Then we'll see the capacity. He will see the height of it. So that is it. My people. I don't understand you now. But this question, they baffle me. Una tu megbe sege megbe swegbe pass each other. Ahia odo Infinity Saga. When you don't talk and finish or you too much. No, nothing to hide now. Now my way the husband go the fear say hey o to at we o yama. Any man we want to marry person will say I'll ask and say you know the year. Go look the year no be egbe me with that You go look the year. One time social media. Owo man no marry agbon. Owo to take gbe ekwe ke yin re. Abeg you. You try where you feel brush miracle. Brushing na brushing you. Brushing not be dating and brushing. We don't brush pass. Pass things. I bet I not come. I not come. Amen. Oh, Saretin Ekwoba. Amen. God bless you too. No, now all more born for her. And no, I beg leave all more for this matter. Oh, yeah, I know you only all more born for her plenty day. I beg. More na pity almost. Almost a nice girl. Almost a nice girl. No, Ebony Brown. Almost a nice girl. Yeah. Almost a nice girl. You know why you no be a barrier? No ton. I no be bene. Canada want boni. Tina Cinderella. Canada want bon. But what's some more? I'll be a make a woo. Any can at TV what to do. My God, but all money. We are a me more. I'm on a nice person. I don't come in contact with almost one-on-one. Me, I'm just sit down and drink it. Kennedy. Wabe Kennedy wa. Oragwan. Onagwan is a Kennedy. Is a door. Yeah, better 2025. Kennedy no be aga wa we quality. When oro me waka. Kennedy. Derricky. No when you chop money, no money. There is a blue. Is a way to one that waiting one. Papa, why are you so stupid? Why you that one, Papa? Look at me, what was one of the most stupid somebody I've ever come across in my entire life. If you work your way, we done, it will be what I did. Kennedy no roy how? Miracle Kennedy over here. Cause you see, I no see you can't miracle. Oh God, I can't. No, not cause I no. Okay, you still know Omo. Can I judge Jack here? Can I just see a motion where guan? That almost say, I'm call it second to my brother. The time we come for Finland. See, come for Finland, come with me for his ass. Kennedy. He only boo, he only go, he only tell me Kennedy my bon. Now baby mama we ya do ati. No I don't look but no de papa si girl mo say. You know what I say? Oh, baby mama the person where I see love pass na still that same Omo. He get one way. He dey better. Bah. You lucky. Ah, my brother don't they call me oh. This one don't pass, be careful now. Man, reserve so fair. You lucky tell me no ban up ba. When I no vision when I tell me now. I you believe in Happy New Year you want tell me oh bro. Don't tell me my address for this month. I'm not going to ask. Hey. You tell me say Happy New Year. Why am I with you? You're lucky. Okay, don't do. Okay. My people say don't do. I don't care. Say this call way double enter so. Bye. More wait if Miracle can't come out, can't talk. That time will come tell and say I be but you know go again. Record that ain't been. Then you go meet Kennedy. Kennedy will give her the one way he gets for accident matter, zotigen matter. You need to get something to take that. And if I see her for Miracle one, I go kick Kennedy. Where you don't carry a pass, I don't see her. I don't talk. Yes, but if I see her for Miracle one, if you like, you know, so you like money. Miracle 50 buy, if you buy you over, maybe 200 euro. You know, so you like money, you like you now. You know that thing now. If you buy you over, Omo, listen well. If you know, say you love Kennedy. No one na wa be mommy who be munya go be by desire no way. If you know and you know say Tony ku wa yan gbe to no for am gbe to because I see dada as you me boyfriend in wa see by men listen and listen well. One Kennedy or advice and say if I see that thing for anybody hand again can you guys any it's well done there. If you pass there wallahi talai ku well kin yo ki fat ki vie no re bejo ki no re waya yo mu je bai ye me na origin ni wason ni mego ko si jo wa lo pupe ri anti o gba me ni mo no bi ani ke wa gwi wa get do wa get son wa anti ofo we ko and already fo baba zin ke already fo why o gege why we o kekere oba usi iga hen kekekeke from any ago ona ko bo ware oni wawari aya wa de gbe fo wa de gbe ya ige imuge mani ati tase di me meti tase why try o already fo wa zin gbe fo ni wa o jana ni wa ko jana Kennedy ne ko fun dobe ogun no bo wenwe eri o kan ajina kero ike ofuban boy of our son and you tie 2022. That is if Osio na wa o wa ko ewe video ni. Ona kinaja yeje o. Egbe me wo se o. Bye bye. Thank you for staying with me. Please kindly share the video. Let it get to Miracle Obasuyi aka Amiro VJ. Wa gie you know sick.
Thanks for watching. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please share this video. Give it a thumbs up. Bye-bye.